As at 8 May 2017, there were 13,164 prisoners nationwide, while 11,301 were convicts, 1,637 were on remand, with just 226 of them on trial. Many have expressed grave concern about the needless incarceration of suspects and called for reforms. The Gimpa Faculty Helplaw Ghana Symposium was therefore held to find ways of implementing workable reforms in Ghana's criminal justice system. Speakers sought to punch holes in the justice delivery system while offering solutions to associated challenges in Ghana's prisons, including overcrowding. The Executive Secretary of the National Identification Authority, Professor Kenatefwa, spoke on why the state should provide legal support to indigent defenders.
Indigent and illiterate persons ignorant of the legal process and accused of serious crimes carrying harsh penalties are not left to their own devices, but are assigned legal counsel by way of legal aid.
Touching on the challenges of the criminal defense lawyer in Ghana, Martin Kpebu called for a replacement of police prosecutors with properly trained lawyers.
And there's a high likelihood of conflict between crime prevention and fair trials. So where the policeman looks at the accused and he thinks that this man is really guilty, and you want to use your court procedures which may end up setting him free, you think the policeman will be in support of such a procedure? No wonder our criminal procedure hasn't seen much improvement since 1960. Because majority of our prosecutors are policemen.
Justice Jones DOTSE is a Supreme Court judge.
It will be surprising that despite all the above efforts by the judiciary as an institution, coupled with the recent decision in Martin Kpebu and Attorney General Supra, the issue of grant of bail in the criminal justice system, which should have been sanitized and brought under decent control, still remains a mirage and threatens to destroy the criminal justice system. I therefore urge the Minister of Justice and Attorney General to initiate processes aimed at the setting up of a Criminal Justice Reform Commission, which will be required to do a complete overhaul of both Acts 29 and 30 in order to sanitize our criminal justice laws to bring them in line with best practices around the world.
It is expected that recommendations from the symposium would go a long way in modernizing criminal procedures in Ghana.